Narcissistic parents create sibling rivalry between their children. What they will often do is they will pit them against each other through constant comparisons and favoritism. They do this to satisfy their ego and to take no accountability whatsoever. Narcissistic parents are not interested in raising emotionally connected children. They are only interested in maintaining control, seeking admiration and testing loyalty. तो वो छोटी उम्र से ही बच्चों को एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट खड़ा कर देते हैं। एक को बोलेंगे तू कितना समझदार है, दूसरे को बोलेंगे तू कितना नालायक है। एक को बोलेंगे वाह बेटा बहुत अच्छा किया, दूसरे को बोलेंगे सीख अपने भाई से कुछ, सीख अपनी बहन से कुछ। तुम हमें कितना तंग करते हो, तुम्हारा भाई तो कभी कुछ नहीं करता। Why can't you be more like him? और ये लेबल्स ना इतने इनोसेंट नहीं है कि बस गलती से या प्यार प्यार में पेरेंट्स ऐसा बोल देते हैं। These have long term negative impacts. Unfortunately, the goal is to create a divide so that the siblings bond does not get any stronger. Because अगर siblings unite हो गए तो वो इनकी manipulation को देख पाएंगे, वो इनकी hypocrisy को call out कर पाएंगे and maybe they will also challenge their authority which they are not used to. ऐसे constant comparisons की वजह से siblings के बीच में resentments आ जाती हैं. They become jealous, they become competitive, they don't like each other. One child might become overconfident and the other child might become underconfident. नार्सिसिस्टिक फैमिलीज में ना रोल्स असाइन किए जाते हैं। एक होता है गोल्डन चाइल्ड और दूसरा होता है स्केपगोट। गोल्डन चाइल्ड इज कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रेज्ड, सपोर्टेड, सेलिब्रेटेड। सच पेरेंट्स थिंक दैट दिस चाइल्ड इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ अस, ही और शी इज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ आवर फैमिली, ऑफ आवर पेरेंटिंग। और जो स्केपगोट होता है उस पे वो कन्वीनियंटली सारे ब्लेम्स डालते हैं, उसे सिक्लूड करते हैं, उसे शेम करते हैं, क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं। बेसिकली स्केपगोट इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ देयर ओन शैडो सेल्फ। द स्केपगोट unfortunately becomes the emotional dumping ground of the family and he or she is often made to feel like something is wrong with them. But both roles are equally damaging in different ways. Neither the golden child or the scapegoat is truly loved for who they are. They are offered love or support or rejection or complaints or criticism based on what they provide to the narcissistic parent. And even as adults, these children don't like each other. They still hold on to a lot of grudges and resentments. They can't seem to trust each other because their bond was broken, unfortunately, in the childhood. Healing begins with truth. If you can acknowledge that yes, this happened with both of us, and yes, we both were the survivors and the victims, and not the ones who genuinely hated each other. The rivalry was never yours to begin with. You were just playing a part in a story which was written by your parents. You really need to stop competing with each other. You need to stop comparing your life with them, your accomplishments with them, and instead you should try to connect with each other. But of course, this can only work if you both can see things for what they are.